What's up everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, or welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Angie. Today I'm going to be doing an organizational ideas video where I'm only using Dollar Tree products, and I bought these things like a couple nights ago, like a week ago to be precise. I imagined that it was going to be super easy. Go to a Dollar Tree, go find things that, you know, to organize makeup. And it was just like the opposite of that. And I saw videos of other people doing something similar to this, where they went to Dollar Tree and they organized their makeup using Dollar Tree items. But like, where are they getting these products? Because I didn't see any of those things they got there. So I had to do with what I have. I'm just gonna see what happens. Back here is all my makeup. It's my vanity drawers that I have makeup in. I don't know, it's just a bunch of crap, okay? And I have not organized it in forever. I haven't cleaned it in forever. It's like a problem because I've been procrastinating it for so long. And last week I was going to do this, but then it was just all so overwhelming because the shopping process was not as easy as I thought it was going to be. I had to go to 3 different places, 2 Dollar Trees, and then a Dollar Zone, which was not ideal, so yeah. Over here is my vanity, and I have a bunch of makeup everywhere. It's like the worst thing ever. My brushes are right there, and then I have my mirror, and then I have another mirror here that needs to be cleaned. I have a lamp here for better lighting, and then just other random things back there. And I have these drawers here. This is my phone. I have these drawers here that I use the most. These 3 drawers I use the most. And these 2 drawers up here I never use because something's always blocking them. I don't even know what's in them, okay? I have lipsticks and stuff over there as well. I have hair products. I don't know products up here. Then I have a bunch of makeup overflow that does not fit in my vanity. It's just a lot. And even more things in these drawers, in this travel makeup case. Then I have another travel makeup case. This is a gift I got from someone. And then more makeup sample products in here. And then I have some random arts and crafts stuff in that drawer, but I'm gonna move this and put it somewhere else so I have more storage there. And then, I'm terrible, I put my freaking wave iron and straightener on the floor because I don't know where to put it. There's no room anywhere, okay? So it's just a bunch of random stuff everywhere that needs to be organized for sure. Now that I showed you my vanity, I'm gonna show you all the products or things that I got from the Dollar Tree and Dollar Zone. 4 bags or 5 bags worth of things here, and I have no idea how I'm going to be organizing any of this. It's just gonna be like going with the flow. One of the things I got is this organizing like lip gloss thing or lipstick thing, and I got 2 of these just in case. I have no idea if I need it, I don't know. And then I got lots of bins. So I got these size bins, this size bin, and I got this bin, this crate kind of bin. I got 2 of these clear bins with the lid on it, so then I could store things and like stack it, I don't know. Then at Dollar Zone, I got these like clear little, what are they called? Little like pans, I don't know. I got 2 of these square ones and then like 3 of these rectangle ones. I got this little tray thing Not really sure what this is going to be used for. Maybe I could put like little makeup products around over here. I don't even know if I have anything that's hookable that can hook on this like tree branch thing. Then I got this glass vase or cup, a square glass cup or whatever you want to call it. Lastly, I got this like snowflake looking glass cup. Okay, what I think I'm going to do is first clean. I need to clean. I'm gonna go get my Clorox wipes and like wipe everything down, move everything off of here. So I guess I'm just gonna have to put everything on the floor because I don't have a place to put these things. It's so hard. Like, how do people organize? Where did they start? Oh, I just remembered. I also got these like on Amazon a long time ago. These like acrylic clear shelves. Maybe I could put these up over here above my mirror to put more makeup products because I have so many that I need more storage, but I'm gonna need nails for this to put it up here. Like, is it just me or sometimes when you put things away, right, you don't see it in your sight, you just totally forget about the fact that you even have it. And then you look in your drawers and you're like, oh yeah, I remember this. Why did I buy 3 more of these if I already have it? Look at these items that have no cap. I use this like almost all the time. And I lost the cap because it falls on the ground and then, you know. Okay, now that I cleaned my desk off, I got my makeup products that were on my desk, and I'm gonna clean them off also, and then try to figure out where to put them. So I have this thing here, which I hold brushes, but I'm going to actually put the brushes I use the most often in this clear glass that I got from the dollar store. I'm gonna use this glass thing and maybe put like some of the foundations I use the most often in here. That's something new, okay? I kind of like this right now. Oh yeah, this looks so much better than this one. This one looks all dingy. I'm not even gonna use this one. I think all I'm gonna do is just palettes in here. There's no way to organize palettes because they're all different sizes and it doesn't really make sense. So that's it, palettes. Alright, look at this mess on the ground that I created. Man, oh man. Alright everyone, I can't believe that is it. I finally finished. And sadly, I did not get a chance to use all the storage, like organizational things that I bought from the dollar store. But I am going to still use them for other places in the house. I mean, you can never have too many organizational bins or whatever you call them. So, without further ado, look at my beautiful give a brief explanation of everything really quickly so it's not like repetitive, okay? So basically I organized everything that I normally use on a daily basis over here. Then I organized my drawers more and it's more minimal now, not that many things inside each drawer. And then I cleared out what the bin was here before. There was a bin here. And I put these two things that I got from the dollar store. And then I put that. And then I also put these two shelves in, which I already had from Amazon. Hair products and other makeup products over there. And then over here, these two boxes, which I had things before in them. Now there's nothing. I put my hair like straightener and curling iron and stuff there. I organized these bins. Alright everyone, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what you thought about all my organizational things. I hope that it turned out successfully. And subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!